Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Jenny Greensmith and I'm a Young Living user and business builder. This presentation discusses the basics of essential oils. If you're interested in learning about essential oils, you're in the right place. After this video, if you're interested in learning more, please contact the person who gave you this video to get more info. I will also provide my contact info at the end as well. So this is me and my family. I started my oil journey in 2017 and have not looked back. I use essential oils in the diffuser every day to support emotions. We use essential oils to get rid of headaches and muscle aches. We use essential oils every night in the diffuser to support sleep. We use essential oil infused cleaning products, and I make my own face wash, face serum, as well as other health products. The list goes on, and I have never felt better. I truly now feel comfortable and confident with what I use in my home and what my family is ingesting and using. Today, chronic illness plagues approximately half of the adult population in Canada. We're now seeing more and more children and babies with compromised health. This is a result of many things, one of which is exposure to chemicals in our home, including cleaning products, health products like shampoo, toothpaste, and makeup. But what if there was a way you could get the same results you do from using your regular products, but the products were better, healthier, cleaner, and in some cases they could also save you money? I do want to share this disclaimer. The information presented is for informational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, prescribe, or treat any health condition and should not be used as a substitute for consulting with a professional healthcare provider. This information applies solely to Young Living products and should not be used in conjunction with other brands of essential oils. So what are essential oils? They're the most powerful part of the plant. They're distilled from shrubs, flowers, trees, roots, bushes, and fruits, and the oils consist of over 100 natural compounds. They support brain health and a healthy weight. They support emotions and spiritual health. Oils in a diffuser can soothe a child's tough day at school or an adult's tough day at work. How can essential oils be used? 1. Aromatically. When essential oils are inhaled, they reach the limbic part of the brain, which activates memory and emotion. 2. Topically, applied directly to the skin. Or 3. Internally. I would only ever take a Young Living brand oil internally, no other brand. So why choose Young Living? Young Living is the leader in therapeutic grade A essential oils. Their product is organically grown, weeded by hand, and there are no pesticides. Young Living has farms all over the world and is a full disclosure company, meaning anyone can go and visit any farm. Young Living uses seeds that are carefully selected and only grown in virgin soil. Each plant is hand-weeded, no pesticides, chemicals, or weed killers. Oils are put through a vigorous testing process and they go from the farm directly to your home. Pesticides, pollutants, previously farmed land, and chemicals can all have an effect on the quality of the oil. Some essential oils are even made in a laboratory. The point is that not all essential oil companies are the same. If essential oils are not of the highest quality, they will not work the same way a Young Living oil will work. This may seem overwhelming, but let me tell you how I got started on my oil journey. I got started with the Young Living Starter Kit. If you're a frugal mom like me, this is the best bang for your buck. It comes with 11 bottles of essential oils in a diffuser. Young Living oils are classified as natural health products by Health Canada. This means that there is enough scientific evidence showing that Young Living oils can be used to manage and maintain health. One of the best parts of Young Living is that you'll find joy, enjoyment, and most of all, effectiveness in using the products. But let me get real for a minute and tell you the true reason I'm so passionate about these oils. Why does chemical-free living matter to me so much? I also used store-bought products my whole life and was devastated to learn what I was putting in my body and in the bodies of my children and husband. I want everyone to know what they're putting into their body and the impact it has on their health, and then you can make the choice. Did you know that cancer is the leading cause of death in Canada and is responsible for 30% of all deaths? In 2017, on average, 221 Canadians died from cancer every day. 1 in 2 Canadians is expected to develop cancer during their lifetime, and 1 in 4 Canadians is expected to die from cancer. The Environmental Working Group tested 21 commonly used cleaning products and found that they emitted more than 450 chemicals into the air, including a number of compounds linked to asthma, developmental and reproductive harm, or cancer. Children are more vulnerable to the effects of these chemicals than adults. There are no current regulations requiring manufacturers to fully list their ingredients on their package or online, which can leave shoppers completely in the dark regarding the safety of these products. Further, consider the cosmetic and health products you use every day, like makeup, toothpaste, and shampoo. They may contain endocrine disruptors, carcinogens, and lead to bioaccumulation. 26 seconds after exposure, chemicals are found in measurable amounts in the human body. The average woman applies 300 chemicals to her body a day, 80 before breakfast. The most dangerous chemicals in our home are found in air fresheners, plug-ins, candles, as well as dishwasher soap and dish soap. Beauty supplies and personal care products like shampoo and deodorant are all filled with chemicals. One of the top pollutants in the family home is laundry soap and fabric softener. It's upsetting to know that the quality of air inside your home is 5 to 7 times more toxic than outdoor air quality. So what happens when your body's chemically overloaded? You might not see it in something as catastrophic as cancer, but most of us feel it in other ways. Lethargic, organ damage, asthma, inability to focus, sleep trouble, chronic inflammation, skin issues, and stress. This information is found on the Government of Canada webpage. If you face any of these issues and want to avoid them in the future, consider rethinking what you put in your body and use in your home. You can control what you allow in the 4 walls of your home. Young Living essential oils are good for you, healthy for you and your family and your home. Great products, great results, and you can feel comfortable and confident with what you're providing for your family. I know you can do it because I've done it. It may seem a bit overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. You can take control of what goes in your body and what goes in your family's body. You can take control of what is within the 4 walls of your home. There is a solution. I started where you are today. I started replacing one product at a time with a chemical-free product. You can't control what is used outside the home, but you can control what is in your home. Feel confident about what you are providing for your family. So what can you do? The starter kit is the absolute best way to get started, as it gives you 11 oils to start making changes in numerous parts of your life. It also comes with a diffuser. Please contact the person who sent you this video and you can start changing your health. 1 new oil product equals 1 less chemical used in your home. This wraps up the presentation for today. I hope you've learned something. I hope you understand why essential oils are so amazing and the opportunities that exist. My email address is on the screen if you have any questions. You can absolutely do this. You don't have to do it alone. We are here to help. Just reach out.